Alright guys, so my scooter just came in. I'm just getting home from school, so I'm just gonna open this up here. Okay, so let me see. I'm probably gonna have to open up another box. What's going to come out? There we go. Oh yeah, definitely. Woo! What's this? Oh yes. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just fixed the angle. Let me finishing this off here. Alright, finally. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to put it together, so I'll do a time lapse of that probably. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Finally. Dude, where's the magazine? They made me order a magazine, so it better be in here. It's not in, I think. No, it's not. Oh, it's in here. There it is. The Vault Zine. Okay. So now I'm gonna start my time lapse. So this is the finished product. I think it's awesome, and I also think that I'm gonna have a lot of fun on it. I went and took it for a little ride around the house. I mean, it's not that much, but you'll probably see me riding it a lot in my videos. I might make a video this weekend. It depends. I might go to the skate park on Friday if it's not like crappy out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.